Welcome to Little Step Stories. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound for letter K. K has just one sound. K says K. K says K. For a better understanding, let's call it K. Sound words. Koala, kite, kiwi, kangaroo, king, kitten, keyboard. Words that end with the sound K. Book, cook, hook, sick, shark, snack. Time for a story. Be kind. One day, a kangaroo was hopping around in a park. He noticed 3 kiwis next to a tree. Kangaroo was very hungry. Soon he hopped closer and picked up all the kiwis. What a good luck! I found kiwis right on time, thought the kangaroo. It's snack time. I am going to eat all of them, the whole pack. But while the kangaroo was on his way home, he met a little kitten. Where is your mummy? Asked the kangaroo. I don't know. She went to get food, but she is not back yet. I am very hungry, said the kitten. Kangaroo was kind. He did not think once and soon gave away 1 kiwi to the kitten. Thank you, kitten said happily. I can do with 2 kiwis, thought the kangaroo. As he walked further, he saw a baby koala crying. Why are you crying? Asked the kangaroo. But the koala was too shy to answer. Kangaroo knew koalas are very shy, so he thought of an idea. Look, I have a kiwi. Do you want to eat it? Koala did want the kiwi, but was too shy to say yes. And the kangaroo was kind. He gave away 1 kiwi to the koala and continued his walk home. I can eat 1 kiwi for a snack, thought the kangaroo. Just when he was nearing his home, he saw a kid sitting sadly next to a closed basket. What happened? Why do you look so sad? Asked the kangaroo. I lost the only key to my basket, said the kid. And all my food is stuck in here. The kangaroo looked at the last kiwi in his pouch and thought, I can share it with this kid. So, the kind kangaroo removed one last kiwi and shared it with the kid. The kid smiled and said, Thank you. A kite was watching the kangaroo all this while. He flew down and said, You had 3 kiwis and you could have filled your stomach well with the whole pack. Yes, that would have filled my stomach, said the kangaroo. But sharing my food with my friends filled my heart too with happiness. We must be kind to others around us, said the kangaroo.